What's up,
Okay.
guys? Welcome to the Sasta Game Show Season 2. Yes, Season 2. It's I don't know why, but it's happening. This is the second season of the Sasta Game Show. I don't know why I brought this, but then as we say, good things eventually do come. And for today's episode, I have got two really sweethearts of mine who have absolutely loved, had a ball of time working with them. And आज मैं उन दोनों को लेकर आया हूँ हमारे शो पे so that they can compete against each other and claim my friendship. That's what you guys are
Actually,
feeling.
I'm
Oh
very
God.
competitive. I'm telling you now. जितना sweet हूँ मैं तो competitive हूँ.
So the first person today that I have with me is Sakshi Sunrial, and I also have with me Imi. But guys, we'll quickly move to what we are here for. We are here to compete. We are here to
Yes.
fight. This is a
Bring it
battle,
on.
okay? Okay, so we're gonna start with the first round, which is called Rapid Fire.
Oh,
So some excitement, guys.
चलो.
So some excitement.
Something new.
Yeah. It's actually new because it's a game that I've invented and it's not like the rapid fire that you guys have probably seen people play. So basically, we all have seen people playing rapid fire with the show host and the guest. However, this time I'm going to give both of my guests to play rapid fire. It's a very simple game. There are going to be two rounds. In the first round, the one person will be a journalist and the other person will be the guest. Okay. You guys can ask anything. The journalist can ask anything under the sun to the guest. However, you got to keep it rapid. So you can't stop.
Okay.
There is no way you can stop. Okay.
Ooh.
And
It seems like I'm already losing
the
this.
guest cannot deny to answer anything because if the guest denies to answer, then the journalist gets the 10 points.
Okay.
Okay. The rule, guys. Another rule. So you can only ask things about the guest. So anything with regards to the guest only. No general knowledge question, no physics question, no biology question, nothing. There are going to be two rounds. In one round, one person is going to be a journalist, the other person is going to be the guest, and in another round, it's going to be a vice versa. Okay. So I have 5 points in my hand as well because clearly I am the show host. So, I need to have some power. So if I think that the journalist has got some really spicy questions, I will give the journalist 5 points. But if I think the guest is giving it back with spicy answers and is being very smart and witty, I'll give the guest 5 points. Make sense?
And I know you like me a lot, right? So you have to give me those points.
Oh wow.
Well, Imran, partiality isn't one of my favorite traits. It's not what I'm known for. Okay, but who's gonna go first?
चलो.
Oh my god. It's such
Imran.
a
No.
I have a fair treatment. हर match के पहले toss up होता है. So we're gonna have a toss up challenge for this one. Are we ready for the toss up challenge? It's gonna be the best of three. So anyone who gets 2 points first will get
Yes.
the thing. Quickly, I'm gonna ask you guys to bring me some objects from your house, and all you gotta do is bring me that object. The first person to get that object will get the point. The first person to get me a book gets the point. Any book.
Here you go.
Imran, don't even try. It's a wow. The first person to get me a frying pan gets a point.
What?
Okay, well.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Go run, guys, run.
Wait. My laptop. Wait, I'm coming.
Sakshi has gone. Sakshi, I can see her kitchen all together.
I got
Okay,
it.
Imran gets the point. I think it's Imran. Okay, guys. So the last one is going to be the deciding factor because one-on-one we have right now. Okay, Sakshi got first point. Imran got the second point. So last one, guys. Whoever gets me their favorite T-shirt, get me a favorite T-shirt.
I'm wearing it.
Okay, not
I'm
this
wearing
one,
it.
not this one. You'll have to get one from the wardrobe. You'll have to get one from the
Okay,
wardrobe.
I'm going with it.
Okay, come on, guys.
Got it.
Okay, Imran. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so the
yeah,
point
okay.
goes to Imran and we. Imran, you have won the toss-up challenge. So Imran, आप decide करो.
Sakshi will go first.
Get ready for the
No.
first round. It's called Rapid Fire. You all know the rules. What exactly are the rules? I'm gonna have a keen eye on you. मेरे पास eagle eye होगी. किसी ने भी थोड़ा भी अटपट अटापटा कुछ भी किया, that person's dead there, and the other person gets the point. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Let's begin.
Okay. Imran, the brand, your specs brand.
One second.
Imran,
One second. Oh shit.
Second
I
down.
forgot.
Please tell me I won already.
Let's cut.
Imran, no, just he takes a life. I'm sorry. I mean, I could have still given you the point if Sakshi, bravo move, bravo.
Dude, that was a headshot. I forgot what.
You could have said anything. Nobody,
Oh,
none of us
God.
could have even. हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है, Brad. Sakshi gets 10 points right away. Sakshi, good job. That was pretty. Let me
But
note. I'm
I
keeping.
get to play, no, but I can also ask a question. If she fumbles, then I get the 10 points, right?
Yeah, फिलहाल के लिए Sakshi has got the 10 points, but I'm not giving anyone any points with regards to question and answer because हुआ ही नहीं. ये तो शुरू होते होते ही खत्म भी हो गया. This is basically what every Indian woman complains. Guys, round 2 of rapid fire. We're going to have Imran be the journalist now, and Sakshi is going to be the guest. So, on the count of 3, 2, 1, let the rapid fire begin.
Okay, Sakshi, आपकी चाय पत्ती का नाम क्या है? आप कौन सी चाय पत्ती पीते हो?
Brook Bond.
Imran, continue.
Okay.
You can.
Okay, what were you doing last night?
I was sleeping. Come on.
Okay, last movie you watched.
I watched Tamasha. Yesterday.
Last song you heard.
Last song I learned. It was Baby Pull Me Closer. I
The
don't
current
know.
book you're reading.
Current book I'm reading is Lolita.
Okay, when was the last time you went on a date?
I went on a date. It was in
Yeah.
March, 28th March on my birthday.
Whoa.
Okay. What was the guy's name?
Sorry?
What was the guy's name?
Kabir. Come
फिर तो
on.
बोल रही है दो.
Imran, continue.
Okay. Favorite brand of clothes. Which is the favorite brand?
Zara. I love it.
Okay, what's your specs brand?
Titan.
Favorite color?
Lavender.
Favorite Bollywood actor?
Nobody.
Hey, that's not fine. That's not a right
She
answer.
doesn't like
Nobody's not a
anyone,
right
yeah.
answer.
But I
ऐसा
really
होता है
don't
क्या?
like anyone.
Even I don't like a lot of people. Yeah.
Okay,
I don't
favorite
like-
freedom fighter?
मुझसे पूछना था मेरे बारे में पूछना था फ्रीडम फाइटर कहाँ चले गए
Favorite
Rani
freedom
Lakshmi
fighter?
Baishu.
Favorite wala?
But,
That's a
but
valid
yeah,
question. She fumbled.
valid question. But I think before that, even you took a long pause. Huh? Like, ये क्या कर रही है actor वाले पे? You took a lot of time. Okay, so that was some strategy. So I'm gonna give my 5 points to Sakshi for this round because she gave good answers. She gave some spicy
won.
answers. She won this round. So the first round is
Sakshi,
winner
that's good,
is
yaar. Fish.
Sakshi Sundria. Whoa! I had
Thank
high
you.
hopes. Guys, are we ready for the second round? The second round is
Yes, I have to win this round. I lost so badly.
you better win this round. You better win this round. People should think कि कुछ तो connection. But actually, this is the round where your connection with me is going to be tested. It's for real going to be
Okay.
tested. You know? How well
Let's
do
go.
you know me? Do you have telepathic powers? Do you have emotions for me? Can you read my face? Can you read my mind? Can you read me? That's what is going to happen in this round because this round is called Shabdkosh. I'm just going to write any word. You guys will also have to write any word and then connect why that word is connected to the word that I have written and why I should give you guys the point. Okay? Make sense?
Got it.
Guys.
I'm gonna win this one. Very bad. तू देख अभी.
You better, Imi, you better.
I'm gonna convince you so hard for this.
Go hard, Imi, go hard. That's okay. What is it?
Friends reunion. Yeah.
इसको चोरी के 10 भाग काटू क्या मैं?
It's like okay. I get a chance to explain, right? Then I'll explain.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I just went for looks.
Okay, Sakshi. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna tell you my word. The word is
Arey,
basically
bring it
fragile.
closer to camera now. If
What is
The
it?
word is basically fragile.
fragile.
Who? कौन सोचेगा
Fragile.
ऐसा word? इतना difficult कौन सोचेगा ये सब?
I obviously me. Now I'm gonna start with Sakshi this time. Sakshi, why do you think looks and fragile? It's a great way to connect the dots. I think you could have a chance here. So Sakshi, go ahead. Give me your explanation.
Well, okay. First of all, looks, because you're very much concerned about what you're wearing, from your clothes to accessories, rings and all. Very
Yeah.
fond of rings. So looks always on point. And fragile, maybe अगर मैं बोलूँ यार विनय तो बहुत गंदा लग रहा है तो तेरा fragile ego hurt हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Make it go.
Nice way. I
Go for
like it.
style.
I like it. Let's see now, Imran, if you can toss that up. As you said, go hard. Go hard
Okay.
and win it.
So why I wrote friends reunion, because we all are connecting for after a very long time, and you are very particular about your friends. I've seen you. You talk to limited people. You interact with limited people. It took a very
Ah.
long time for you to interact with me also. But once you got to know me, then we got in a very good start. So I think so you're fragile in the sense in your relationships also, where you only go for the people who you get connected to.
Good.
So
Okay.
does that make sense?
Okay, it's making sense. Actually, both of you are making sense this time. So
Hey,
I'm
mine
just
was
think,
very good, man.
okay, I mean, both of you are good, but I'm gonna give Imran the point because I think the friends bit was a little like looks. I think everyone knows that I have a fragile ego when it comes to my looks, but then I think this friends bit, I think that was pretty nice. So I'll give you 10 points, Imran.
Good.
I'll give you finally Imran ne khata khola. Finally, we are moving to the third round, which is all about your performance. अब तक मैंने आपकी agility देख ली, आपका मेरे प्रति प्यार देख लिया, लेकिन अब देखूंगा आपका talent. Are you talented enough to be my friend? Well, you better be,
Oh
because
God.
you've got to be talented.
मैंने did I tell you that तेरा बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं आज?
Imran 4 बार बोल चुका है. Give something new, Amy. Give me something new. Okay, so the
I
first,
told you about this background and all those lights, huh? So
so see, the show is not sasta anymore. I've got fairy lights. So show का budget
yes.
50 रुपए बढ़ गया है. 80 rupees to be precise. Guys, so the last round is basically you gotta make a song. I'm gonna just give you a word. Make any song. मजा आना चाहिए और वो word obviously उसका title होना चाहिए. That should be the title of the song, and just have fun with it. Okay? So the first word is Kulta Kamini.
What
उल्टा
is the
कमीनी.
meaning of this?
Kulta Kamini. Be a gentleman and let's go first. Imran, kill it.
Okay.
Just
मेरा
do
दिल
it.
तोड़ के चले गई वो कुल्टा कमीनी, मुझे प्यार में फंसा के चले गई कुल्टा कमीनी, बड़े बड़े वादे करके मुझे धोखा दे चली गई कुल्टा कमीनी. उसका नाम था कुल्टा बट वो थी कमीनी. भाई मेरे घर खाना खाए बत्ती बुझाए चले गई कुल्टा कमीनी. पिक्चर भी देखने चले गई बट हाथ लगाने नहीं दी कुल्टा कमीनी. And what?
Wow. I like how
भैया बना के राखी बांध के चले गई कुल्टा कमीनी.
Imran, when I said make a song, I didn't want you to अपने दिल के दर्द बयां करना, but then I like how you have done that. So yeah, Sakshi, go ahead, kill it. Come on,
Okay, then
Sakshi.
इमरान को मिली थी एक उल्टा कमीनी. नाम था जिसका थी वो कमीनी. नाम था जिसका उल्टा बट थी वो कमीनी. इमरान के काट के चली गई उल्टा कमीनी. कहाँ डेट करने की सोच रहा था इमरान और वो राखी बांध के चली गई उल्टा कमीनी. दिल तोड़ के
Nice.
चली गई उल्टा कमीनी. और now
Nice.
अब इमरान is crying because of that उल्टा कमीनी. हो सकता है विनय की जिंदगी में भी आए कोई उल्टा कमीनी. You never know.
No, Sakshi, just
I'm
stop.
done.
Stop there. एक तो ये जो गाने के नाम पे आपने मेरे को आज तक की रिपोर्ट सुनाई है. I thought this was a musical round. I'll give this one to Immi because I think Immi had music. Immi के गाने में
Yes,
दर्द था.
he rapped
Immi के
well.
गाने में beat थी. So I'll give that round to Immi. And your second word for the
Relatable,
second round is Vinay. So you gotta make a song on me. Vinay.
Sakshi will go
Yay.
first now. Huh? Sakshi will go
Yay.
first now.
No, that's all. That's all. I'll work with it.
Vinay.
भाई ये खुद ही गा लेगा.
मेरे को ये राउंड कोई देता, मैं तो ऐसे जीतता। गाने
चलो
बनाना
ना,
is my second
लेट्स स्टार्ट।
language.
साक्षी चलो स्टार्ट करो।
Yeah, okay. mm, विनय को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
वो
जैसे now it's the time to do buttering a bit क्योंकि I have to win this round with
nice.
Vinay, and I'll be the winner of this Sasta show which Vinay is hosting, and it will be fun.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, मेरे को तुम्हारे घर पे रोटी चाहिए, आएगी तुम्हारे घर पे रोटी।
मुंबई आ रही है, मुंबई आ रही है छोकरी,
आप
मुंबई
हमारे साथ
मुंबई आ
मुंबई
रही है।
आएंगी।
ओके, सो काफी दिन बाद आया मुझे विनय का कॉल। विनय ने कहा तू आएगा गेम शो पे, तू करेगा मेरी हेल्प, मैं बनूंगा होस्ट और तू खेलेगा गेम जिसमें होगी एक ओपोनेंट जिसका नाम मुझे नहीं पता था, बट विनय गेव मी अ सरप्राइज। वहां निकली साक्षी। साक्षी ने बजाई फर्स्ट राउंड में मेरी बैंड, सेकंड राउंड में इमरान मेड अ कमबैक, थर्ड राउंड में इमरान इज गोना विन दिस राउंड बिकॉज़ विनय लव्स इमरान मोर देन साक्षी। सो विनय प्लीज गिव मी दिस राउंड।
ये तो अब ऐसे हो जाएगा कि oh my god, that was it. These were the rounds. Thank you so much firstly for these rounds. I have the score with me. Winner for the Sasta Game Show Season 2 between Imran and Sakshi Sudriyal is
Right.
it's Imi.
क्या बोला था मैंने, क्या बोला था? I nailed it.
But that sweet of you guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for coming on the show once again, even after watching the first season and agreeing to this, being like, okay, we'll do it. So everyone watching this, I hope you guys love the episode. Do like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, just do it. But I just really hope this time was fun for you. And stay tuned because we're going to have more episodes of the Sasta Game Show. And it's going to be all fun. Till then, much love and just bye.